คักโนมาชิน first aid นี่ Right here we are making egg rolls with grinding pork. And then it comes out. That, yes, this one right here, vermicelli noodles, the best. Don't say nam. You gotta soak it. Warm water. Yeah. Say nam un. Soak it in warm water so that it gets soft. So when you wrap the egg roll, you mix it. I'll เกลือใส่จึงบีบน้ำออกมันจะบ่มีน้ำไหลตอนทอด right Matt? Yep. So we're salting it so that all the juice come out of the carrot and we squeeze all the water out so that it's not a lot of liquid when we deep fry the egg roll. นี่บีบน้ำออก You squeeze out all the juice as much as you can. Okay, ชิมมันก็รสทำมันเค็มกันล่าง Right now we're rinsing the carrots because it's salty. So you rinse it and you squeeze the water out again. So เดี๋ยวนี้มีซีนหมูบด ground pork กะหล่ำ carrot ตัดให้มันสั้นมันยาวโพด So we're chopping the noodles because it's too long. We want it to mix with everything. And when you cook these noodles, they turn clear. They're not white like this. So we have some white onions. หัวผักบัวขาว Is that how we say it in Lao, Matt? หัวผักบัวขาว
ผักบัวใหญ่ผักบัวขาวว่าเลี้ยงหรอก
หัวผักบัวใหญ่แม่การมันสิว่าสีหัวผักบัวขาว Chop it into small tiny pieces so it can mix into the egg roll. Okay, อันนี้หัวผักบัว You add the onions. What else do we have? And add the galam. We're adding the cabbage. Just mixing. Look at that. Yum. Look beautiful. Look at those colors. Garlic salt. Add some garlic salt in there. Yep, โฆษณาอีก โฆษณา black pepper พริกไทย Oh, garlic salt วันนี้ไหน garlic salt กระเทียมผง and พริกไทย White pepper. If you like it a little spicy, you put white pepper in. Because it's good. White pepper. พริกไทยขาว What is that? Oh, น้ำตาล Sugar. Some sugar. Oyster sauce.
ใส่ดำก็เลยไม่ทอด
No.
ดำไม่ทอดเขาไม่ได้ดำ
ลองเถื่อบุ้งส่วนและกินมันแซ่บ Oyster sauce. Warning คันใส่มัมเซมันอยากดำ but that's okay มันแซ่บเห็นบ่หันเบิ่งเป็นตาแซ่บบ่แซ่บand some แป้งนัว that's MSG. If you like some MSG, you go ahead. You don't like it, don't put it in. It tastes good. Either way. Anything else, Mama? And she added a little bit of soy sauce. Thin soy sauce. To give it the smell. That oriental smell. Yum. We gotta add eggs. You guesstimate how many you want. ไข่ใส่หลายปานใดแม่ก็เอา Look at that. Yum. Okay, any brand Little Chef frozen spring roll pastry ตัวนี้นี่แซ่บ This is the brand we use for our egg rolls, and right now prep. So we're gonna peel it all, prepping it so it's ready to wrap, so it's not all sticking together. Okay, slice some พอดี about 2 บวง about put some about the size of your egg roll that you eat, and horn and net, right, Mom? And when you wrap it tight. Like when you're wrapping a sleeping bag, you want to make it tight so there's no air bubbles in there. And you put some eggs. This is just 1 whole egg to make it stick. Well, now it's time for deep fry. พากันไปทอดกินแซ่บMama cooking the egg roll. Look how good that looks. Nice and golden.